Breaking in that clutch, but you guys can kind of hear how loud this exhaust does get when you guys get under load. Now in this video we're gonna be going over pretty much the top 5 mods you guys want to make sure you guys cop whenever you guys are thinking about, or if you guys have already boosted your Turbo GT86, FRS, BRZ, or if you're still NA. Now, finally, as you guys can see here, I did pick up a new camera. I got the Sony ZV-1, so when I get to my little spot, we will be switching to this camera. Should be a huge bump in quality. My GoPro always failed on me, so decided it was time to go ahead and pick up an actual camera to go ahead and step these vlogs up, because the worst thing that can happen is you're recording a video and then you go home to edit it to find out that you actually didn't get recorded everything you wanted to record, or the files just were corrupted, which happened like 99% of the time when I was recording with the GoPro. Literally have to look down and check whenever I go ahead and record with this GoPro. Still gonna be making the POV content, obviously, but as a fail-safe, and honestly as just a step up in quality, I'm gonna be using the Sony ZV-1 to make content. Now I'm gonna be getting a strap for the ZV-1 as well as the mic arm, or not really mic arm, I call it mic arm, the camera arm that I could control it with, so we can obviously do like the POV vids. But I think when I do go down to Mexico, we will be using the head strap, because obviously sometimes you don't have a co-pilot. I really should just cut this guy off, but it is what it is. Capture as many like pops and bangs if possible. The weather's getting real nice here in Illinois, so should be able to make a lot more content, a lot more meat should be happening. I think there's going to be like some type of car show later on this week, so definitely go ahead and bring you guys along. So happy that I got the car back like right when the weather was nice. Like last week it was nice, but it was kind of, wasn't that good, but I got it back on a good week where it's going to be 60 all weekend. And we can kind of get everything underway. Now, some things that I did go ahead and pick up, I'm just going to go ahead and spoil it right now. I did go ahead and pick up an STI short shifter, and I'm probably going to be going back to the stock knob. I want to see how it feels with the stock knob as well with this likewise knob, and if I do like it, I'm going to go ahead and get a weighted shift knob to go ahead and see how I like it with that. Should definitely make, you know, driving a lot more enjoyable. And then I obviously went ahead and picked up some other supporting mods to go with turning up the boost. I really like the exhaust tone. It's something different, something I've never experienced before. Like the downshifts are brutal. I've yet to kind of hear the car like outside, like from the outside perspective on how loud it is. I think it's actually like, it might be incredibly loud, literally similar to my Tome. Like it's I almost want to say like it's almost identical to the Tomei, but just less drone. Like it's literally almost identical to it. Like I went ahead and rewatched my old video with that Tomei catback just to kind of compare, and it sounds very, very similar, which honestly I'm happy with because I did like that catback, but I don't know, I guess it kind of just drew out that single exit through the exhaust hole type phase. This is something that's, you know, more unique, and I really, really enjoy it. As soon as we get across this bend, we're about to turn it up. That's some sketchy ass shit. All right, so I just pulled up to the spot. I'm obviously not even gonna record the video that I was gonna record because that was honestly pretty cool. That's a video in itself. I guess we could just turn this into like a POV driving video again. I mean, fuck, that was sketchy. You guys can see here, showcase the exhaust again. This shit crazy. I think there's some cars pulling up to the streets, but you guys can see here, this exhaust is nuts. Kind of give you guys like another angle. I need to do a full paint correction on my car though, no cap. This is crazy. We kind of just flew by a cop going like 30 over the limit too on that road. That's low-key kind of why I sped up. I wanted to get the hell out of there, but hey, look. There's definitely something going on over here, potentially. Hell, there might be a meet at the second spot, but I guess we'll just do a little POV drive. I'm gonna head up a different way home. I'm not gonna go the same way I went because, oh yeah, there's something that really happened over there. I'd say we get out of here. That guy's like looking at me, he's like, why the fuck does he have shit on his head? Like, bro, like, do you not know that people like... That guy looked at me, he looked like... That fool looked at me like I had like a gun to his face. I'm not gonna lie, like when I first started like doing POV driving videos and stuff like that, I felt kind of weird because it's just like, man, people look at me funny, but at the same time it's just like after you do it for so long, and I really haven't been doing it for that long, it's just one of those things. It's just like it's normal. Like people have cameras out 24/7. Like you go to the mall, if it's a crowded mall, it's popular. I mean, there's a high chance there might be somebody walking around with a camera recording a YouTube video. out here. Like, I didn't really realize there's that many cops out today. Like, what's going on? I know there's like an accident back there, but sheesh. This might have to turn into like a POV city drive video or something. Like, this is actually crazy. I need to get off this, like, I gotta get off this, like, main road. This road. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but when you're like in the lower RPMs, like when the RPMs are dropping below like 2,500, you can literally hear that lightweight flywheel really chatter. Like, it's actually very, very loud, that lightweight flywheel, when you just let the RPMs drop. Driving like this. Do you not know how to drive? Getting used to the clutch. And we're really hitting every single light out here. lot, fellas. Like, there's literally cops all over the place. I don't know what's going on. But I think I'm gonna probably pick this vlog up back at the crib, somewhere where there isn't a lot of cops, because they're literally all over the place. I don't know why, but I mean, if we keep accelerating, downshifting, because I don't really know how loud this car is outside, we could probably get into some trouble, and I'm really not trying to get pulled over and get a ticket. That's definitely what I don't want. So hope you guys did enjoy this kind of POV drive. I'm gonna wrap this up when I do get back to the crib. All right, well, this is what it looks like with the new camera. Still kind of working the kinks out. I have no idea what I'm doing with this thing, but we'll work with it. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully the audio is good, because again, I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Man, this is gonna sound crazy when I turn up the boost. Might go ahead and fuck around and change up the blow-off valve. Maybe get an HKS blow-off valve. We need to do like a full-on paint correction, as I said earlier, but sheesh. Hopefully everything does sound good, man. These are 888s. Hey, they're worth every single penny, I'm telling you guys. 255, 35, 18s, 9.5, 38 offset wheels. Hugging them corners, that sketchy ass Tesla driver. I think rumbling too, with an equal length. You can see that profile right there. You guys can kind of see here too. It ate up literally the inside of this fender kind of bolt there, but other than that, you good. Love this combo. I was tripping for being on 17s this long. Really tripping. Look at this meat. Love this angle. Toyos. You guys are in the market. There's some new wheels, some new tires. Get yourself a set of 18s. Some R888s. Not a sponsored video, by the way, but love them. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Kind of want to go ahead and test out the camera to see how good everything is. Make sure y'all drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Stay safe out there. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.